Is your website making the right first impression? In today's digital age, your website is often the first interaction potential clients have with your business. An outdated design or slow-loading pages can turn them away before you even get a chance to showcase your expertise. That's where MyWare comes in. We specialize in affordable website development, revamp, and maintenance services tailored specifically for interior design, engineering, and medical businesses. Imagine a fresh professional site that not only attracts but impresses your clients from the get-go. And here's an exclusive offer. We're providing a limited number of free website audits to help you identify areas for improvement. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your online presence and make a lasting impression. At MyWare, we understand the importance of a seamless, efficient website that reflects your brand's quality and professionalism. Ready to transform your website into a powerful business tool? Claim your free audit today and let us help you make your website count. Visit myware.asia to learn more and secure your spot. Your first impression starts here.